Hey y'all, so we already got our face done like how we did in the previous video. We're actually going to use the Safari collection, the Safari Raine palette like how we did last video. I am dipping into clay right now, and we're only using three shadows out the palette. So clay is going to go right in the socket, in the crease, and um, right under that brow bone, so just blend out everything. And then now we're taking toucan and we're going to place that all over the lid. I'm showing you exactly how I'm placing it. I'm just like a whole mess. I think the next video I'm talking, but that was a fail too. But yeah, we're just going to place this all over the lid. We're going to take it right into that socket, so definitely make sure, if you want, you can use your hand. I didn't. Why? I don't know. I just used the brush. But make sure you do tap off the excess, because this is very, very pigmented, so you will get a little bit of fallout under the eye. So yeah, now we're going to take this really, really dark brown shade, and we're going to use it as our eyeliner. We're just going to line our lash line with it, so that when we apply our falsies, everything is seamless. So yeah, you just want to follow your lash line with that, and then that's basically it. Put on your lashes. I did use the Glam lashes from the Safari Raine collection as well. They're just so bomb. Like, I really, really love them. They have been my go-to recently. So yeah, you're gonna see those a lot in these videos. But yeah, you just want to line that lash line, and then that's it. Pop on your lash, and voila, you're finished. I did use this Bronze Gold Loose Glam Dust from Smolder Cosmetics to highlight. Y'all, this gives you the dewy look that you want for this look. I did overline my lips and use a NYX Satin Ribbon Lingerie lipstick and some lip gloss, and she's done. Like, she's ready. Look at her, she's cute. But yeah, if you guys like this easy look, definitely leave it in the comments. And that's it. Later. Bye.